Imagine this. You wake up this morning, you make your coffee, you get ready for work, and then your phone buzzes. An email from your company. You open it, and you read, "We've implemented a new AI system. It will now handle some of your responsibilities." Your coffee cup almost slips out of your hand. Your heart starts racing, and one thought hits you. Did I just lose my job? This is not just a story. In 2024 and 2025, this happened to millions of real Americans, real people, real jobs, real fear. But today, I'm going to tell you something the media never told you. Some of those millions of people figured something out, and because of what they figured out, their income doubled. So pay close attention for the next 15 minutes, because this video could genuinely change your life. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI? In the simplest way possible, think of it this way. Imagine you hired a new assistant. His name is AI. This assistant never gets tired, never sleeps, never complains, never asks for a raise, works 24 hours a day. And the biggest thing, he works 10 times faster than any human. Now think about this. If you were a business owner and someone offered you this assistant, would you hire him? Of course you would. Every single business owner would. And that is exactly what is happening across America right now. In 2023, Goldman Sachs released a report, one of the biggest financial firms in the world. They said AI could affect 300 million jobs worldwide. 300 million. When people heard that number, they panicked. Then, in 2024, IBM announced they would replace 7,800 employees with AI. Google laid off thousands of workers. Amazon laid off thousands of workers. Microsoft laid off thousands of workers. But hold on, here's the part nobody talked about, the part the media completely ignored. Yes, some jobs disappeared, but at the same time, brand new jobs were created. AI prompt engineer, AI trainer, AI strategy consultant, machine learning manager. These jobs did not exist in 2020. Today, these jobs pay between $100,000 and $200,000 a year. So the real question is not, will AI take my job? The real question is, how do I use AI to make more money? And that is exactly what we're going to break down today. Let's get into it. Who is actually losing their jobs to AI, and who is not? First, meet Michael. Michael lived in Cleveland, Ohio. He worked in data entry. Every single day, same thing. Move numbers from one place to another, fill out forms, generate reports. He made $45,000 a year. In 2024, his company bought an AI software, and everything Michael did in an entire workday, the AI did it in 2 hours. Michael lost his job. Why? Because Michael's work was repetitive. It was the same thing every single day. It followed strict rules. It was basically copy and paste, and that is exactly what AI does best. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. According to McKinsey's 2024 report, between 60 and 70% of tasks that are repetitive and rules-based can be done by AI. 60 to 70%. That is a massive number. But now meet Jennifer. Jennifer also lived in Cleveland. She was a nurse. Her job was talking to patients, understanding their pain, comforting them when they were scared, giving doctors the right information at the right time. When AI came along, Jennifer's job actually got easier. AI now handles old patient records, provides information about medications, answers basic administrative questions. But did Jennifer lose her job? Absolutely not. Her salary actually went up, because now AI handles all the boring stuff, and Jennifer focuses on the one thing AI can never do: holding the hand of a terrified patient, looking them in the eyes and saying, "Everything is going to be okay." No machine can ever do that. So what is the pattern here? Work that comes from the heart, AI cannot do it. Work that requires real creativity, AI cannot do it. Work that requires genuine human connection, AI cannot do it. Here's one more important fact. The World Economic Forum's 2025 report stated, yes, AI will eliminate 85 million jobs, but it will also create 97 million brand new jobs. 97 million. That is more than the jobs it eliminates. So the net result? More jobs, but different kinds of jobs, and you need to be ready for them. Now let me tell you about James. This story is going to stick with you. James lived in Austin, Texas. 38 years old, marketing copywriter. He wrote ads for companies, emails, social media posts. He made $72,000 a year. 3 kids, a mortgage, a car loan. Life was good. Then 2024 happened. His company got ChatGPT, and his boss said, James, AI is going to write the content from now on. You just need to review it. James felt his stomach drop. He thought, if AI is writing everything, why would they keep me around? James could not sleep that night. He woke up at 3 in the morning, opened his laptop, and Googled, is my job safe from AI? What he read made him even more scared. But then James did something most people never do. He turned his fear into curiosity. He asked himself one question. AI can write content, but can AI write content that actually moves people? Content that makes someone cry? Content that makes someone laugh out loud? Content that makes someone stop scrolling and actually take action? James decided to test it. He asked AI to write an ad. Then he wrote one himself. He sent both to his company without telling them which was which. The result? The company's clients chose James's ad every single time. Why? Because James's ad had a real story inside it, a real emotion, something you could actually feel. The AI's ad was technically perfect, but it felt cold, robotic, like it was written by a machine, because it was. And that is when James understood something huge. AI is an incredible assistant, but it is not a storyteller. AI can make grammar perfect, but it cannot touch someone's heart. So James completely changed his approach. Now he lets AI create the rough draft first. 5 minutes, done. Then he goes in and adds his magic, real stories, real emotions, real experiences, things only a human can bring to the table. Before AI, James wrote 3 ads a day. After AI, he writes 10. He shared this approach with 2 of his freelance clients. They said, James, do this for us too. We'll pay you extra. 6 months later, James's salary, $72,000. Freelance income, $45,000. Total, $117,000 a year, up from $72,000 because of AI, not in spite of it. And James is not alone. In 2025, Harvard Business School released a study. They found that workers who use AI alongside their own skills are 40% more productive than those who do not. 40%. And companies pay them significantly more because they deliver significantly more value. Okay, let's get practical. Here is exactly what you need to do, step by step. Step 1. Understand your own job. Grab a piece of paper. Write down every single thing you do at work, every task, every responsibility. Then, next to each one, ask yourself, can AI do this? The tasks AI can do, start letting AI handle them. Free yourself from those tasks. The tasks only you can do, put 100% of your energy there. That is exactly what James did. That is exactly what Jennifer did. Step 2. Start using one AI tool today. ChatGPT. It is completely free. Go to chat.gpt.com, create an account, and ask it to help with one of your tasks. Write an email, summarize a document, brainstorm ideas. Just start. The first day will feel weird. The second day will feel a little better. By the third day, you will be laughing at yourself, wondering why you were ever afraid. Step 3. Learn the one skill AI can never learn. These are the skills that matter most right now. Communication, the ability to truly connect with people. Persuasion, the ability to change someone's mind. Empathy, the ability to genuinely understand someone's pain. Leadership, the ability to inspire people to follow you. Creative thinking, the ability to come up with ideas nobody else thought of. Pick one of these skills and spend the next 30 days focused entirely on it. Read books about it, watch videos, practice every single day. This skill is what will separate you from everyone else. This skill is what will make you irreplaceable. Step 4. Make learning AI part of your job. Try one new AI tool every single week. Every week, find one new thing to do with AI, and whatever you learn, tell your boss about it. Tell your clients about it. Because in 2026, the most valuable people in any company are the ones who know how to use AI effectively. And right now, very few people actually do. This is your window of opportunity. Step 5. Keep your eyes open for new opportunities. Just like James, just like Jennifer, AI did not destroy their lives. AI showed them a brand new path. The same new paths exist in your field too. You just have to be willing to look for them. One last thing before we wrap up. Every major technology in history went through this exact same thing. In 1900, the car was invented. People who drove horse carriages were terrified. But then, mechanics got new jobs. Gas stations were built. Roads were constructed. An entire new economy was born. In 1990, the internet arrived. Typewriter salesmen were scared out of their minds. But then, web designers emerged. Programmers became some of the highest paid people on Earth. Digital marketers built entire industries. Today, the internet supports hundreds of millions of jobs. In 2024, AI arrived. And today, a lot of people are scared. But the people who truly understand what is happening, they are getting ready. They are learning new skills. They are turning AI into their most powerful weapon. You have a choice right now. You can be like Michael, who stayed scared and got left behind. Or you can be like James, who understood what was happening and came out ahead. AI is not your enemy. AI is the most powerful tool you have ever had access to. You just have to learn how to use it. Remember this, AI will not take the job of someone who knows how to use AI. AI will take the job of someone who refuses to learn. Which side are you going to be on? If this video gave you a new way to think about AI in your career, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because next week we are covering the 5 jobs that AI can absolutely never take, and exactly how you can position yourself for one of them. You do not want to miss that one. We'll see you there.